Hey guys, so got an updated stash video for you all stocked up for New Year's. Once again, if you guys need any help getting some of this stuff, hit me up. My email's in the description. Anyway, so got a few of El Chupacabra, if that's how you say it, by Nanya. Then we got some Nuclear Man by Bindejo, Knockin' Futs, Stone Age, Boardwalk, Zane the Vampire God, got a few of these. AI, a few Blue Dream, some Black Magic, got some monster trucks right here. Lowrider, it's a really cool wrap. My wife was trying to post a video on TikTok, and they kept banning it because of the joint. Couldn't figure out why, but then she put little tapes on them, and they let the video go through. Got some of these bad boys, 4-inch Noabs. Man, these hit. I think I got a few more right here. Anyways, got some Purple Haze. Got, I think, like 3 or 4 of these left. Got some Pale Girl. What is this? Oh, Mr. Crowley. Got some Master Cakes right here. Tiger Turns Angry. Master Universe. That's a sick cake. This is Battle of Colossus. I got them open over there. I'll show you guys. Anyways, got a Cliffhanger, some Coronavirus, Invasion. That's basically same as Coronavirus. This one just got salutes and stuff in it, so it's pretty cool. 2 Color Infinity left. Midnight Madness, Neon Demon. What's that one? Gen X. A couple of Enforcers. Morbius. A couple of the boys. Got some bad boys right here. If you guys know what those are. Got another case of the 3-inch Super Rockets. These are kind of the extras right here. Some Rapture. 2 Minutes to Midnight. Neo. Heaven and Hell. Got a couple of Master Parties. Let's see. Fire Force. These are ball shells. I actually shot some off yesterday, pissed my neighbors off, and they hit pretty hard. So got a case of those, or maybe a few, I don't know, can't remember. These are the bad boys right there. Let's see, Boxcar Billy. I got these right here. So I haven't shot them yet. I'm gonna do a demo on them, but people are saying they're comparable to Rambos. I mean, I don't know how true that is, but we'll test them out. Nightwings, got some Bang Bangs left. Zombie Returns. What else we got back there? A few cases of Badass. Ganja. Master 5s. HCMF Locos. Let's see, got some BTKs, got some Bumbles. What's back there? I don't know what that is. Not sure. Anyways, yeah, they're all hitters, so. Got some of these. I did a demo on this one. Really nice cakes. Got some If You Know, You Know. Some sienna. Got these. Grabbed the last ones. All my friends grabbed the ones that I had last year. I only left one for myself. Juiced, very, very nice cake. I think so. I got 4 of those. A couple more master parties. Got 1 red bastard left. Mando. I was able to get some more master gold. Supernova, Nightcrawler. Got 1 art left. Got some Venom, Lost Souls. I think I got 1 neon left. That's a 3-inch 36 shot. Old school MTKs right here. Was only able to get 1 case. The Mentors. Got 2 of the Frosted Flakes. Cockfight back there. Let's see. Skull Crusher. That's the new MTKs. Also got a demo on those ones. Let's see. Yeah, I got a couple more. The Beast. Godzilla. What I got here? High Life. Money Shot. The Nun. Really, really nice cake. Got a couple of those. Got some Warheads, Wilder Days. Let's see. These are really loud. Salute Ball Shells. Got Iron Man. A couple of Mortal Instruments. Thunder Willow. That's one of my favorite cakes, man. That's real nice if you like Willow effects. A couple Porkies left over. Mad as a March Air right there. Let's see, what do we got here? Elemental. Monstrous Strobe. Really nice 2-inch bore. Got some Diablo. Pot Eye. Hellraiser. Got the old school master assortment. Got a couple cases of Skull Crusher right there. Death Punch. Let's see if I missed anything. I think I got a problem. Got this place a little stocked up that I can't even find anything myself. Let's see. Oh yeah, rockets. We got Mega Willows. I shot these off last 4th. Very nice rockets. Huge breaks on those. Let's see. Got some ground salutes right there. Black Ops rockets. Let's see. Yeah, we got radioactives. Shit. Let's see, what is this? Oh, more Diablos. I got more rockets. I will do a part 2 video and show you guys my more of a consumer, not as hard hitting stash, and my pro line and all that good stuff that I use for shows. But anyways, yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, Knuckle Punch, forgot that one. It's a really, really cool, pretty much all salute cake. This thing's like 80 pounds. Hard hitter. Anyways, yeah, guys, like, subscribe. I'll be doing some demos of these. Been kind of busy with PGI and then, you know, getting stocked up on the product and all that good stuff. But like, subscribe, you know, and then hit me up if you guys interested in any. Oh yeah, I got blood and honey right there. That's a really nice cake too. All right. Well, yeah.